iOS 18 is chock full of new features and changes, some Apple advertised, while others not so much. Hidden and under-the-radar features always pique my interest, and iOS 18s are no exception. My personal favorite this year: Music Haptics. The feature is pretty simple. When enabled on iPhone 12 or newer, iOS will play haptic vibrations to the beat of whatever songs you're listening to. It works with just about every genre of music I've tried. Rock, rap, classical, jazz. If it has a discernible beat, your iPhone will vibrate to it. To enable this feature, we're going to go into Settings and then tap onto Accessibility. From here, we're looking for Hailing, and you'll find Music Haptics underneath that heading. At this stage, all we have to do is toggle and switch on. It's really as simple as that. And it's actually a demo mode built into settings here. Now, when I start playing that demo, I thought long and hard about how to convey this to you through a video. You're not going to feel my phone vibrating, and you're not going to hear the sound that's playing, so it's a bit pointless really. But I want you to imagine you've got a big speaker in front of you, and it's kind of like pulsing as the bass is coming out of it. Imagine you put your hand just gently on that speaker. That's how your iPhone feels. As the bass notes hit, your phone vibrates. And it really does bring that music to life a little bit more. You also see on this screen which apps are currently supporting Music Haptics. Right now is Music, Classical Music, and the Settings app for this very demo, but over time it might be that more apps will start appearing in that list. But then when it's enabled, every time you play music in one of those apps, you'll feel your phone with that haptic feedback as the songs are playing. And this is just one of many new features in iOS 18. That means your phone has got a whole load of awesome new superpowers that I bet you don't know about yet. If you want to learn more about what your device can do, please do check out my channel down below, where there are hundreds of iPhone quick tip videos. I'll see you later.